Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your environment and creating the Firebase project. Install Node.js and npm so you can run build tools, then install the Firebase CLI and log in. Once done, create a Firebase project in the console and enable services you need, like authentication and Firestore. Next, initialize your local repository with Git and npm and run Firebase in it to scaffold hosting, functions, or Firestore rules. This gets your app wired to Firebase immediately so you can start coding. Now implement the core app features and backend logic. Start with authentication, build sign-up and sign-in flows, handle tokens client-side, and offer providers like email or Google for faster adoption. Then design a Firestore schema that minimizes reads and uses batched writes where possible. Write and test security rules to enforce ownership. At the same time, implement cloud functions for critical server-side tasks. Use on create or on write triggers for async jobs, so your app remains finish by thoroughly testing and deploying your app. Use the Firebase local emulators to validate auth, Firestore, and functions interactions before you hit production. This reduces surprises. When ready, run Firebase deploy to publish hosting, functions, and rules. Once live, verify user flows and monitor logs in the console. If something breaks, start with function logs and emulator traces, confirm auth tokens and rules are correct, and reproduce the failure locally. This targeted approach gets you back up quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.